Hello and welcome back. Today I'm starting a 28-day challenge with Sophia over at My Great Challenge. She very generously invited other YouTubers to join her, and thanks to one of my lovely subscribers, I did. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre, and yes, I am probably officially mad, but here goes. What Sophia is doing is a 28-day sort of fly lady cleaning challenge. Now, if you've watched any of my previous sort of months of videos, you know that I've got the cleaning thing pretty much down pat. This is not something I really need to do. And so when I first thought about it, I thought, oh no, there's nothing I really need to do. And then I thought, well, I could do a few things. I could do some of the little projects or the little day-to-day stuff. And I started making a list. Yeah, a list. Here you go, the list. It's back. It's only down to 16 at the moment, but there you go. And I thought, well, I could do 2 really short ones every day until I catch up with the rest of them, because they started, sorry, I'm just bumping the table and you're balanced on a box and a basket, because other people in the collaboration started on the 1st of February, but as you know, I was still busy finishing off my last lot of cleaning. So that's how the list came about. I've got a whole lot of small things that need to be done. My challenge is going to be called the KISS challenge. It's called Keep It Short, Sister. And the first one is going to be makeup brushes, and then I will film my official day 2, which will be to declutter some of the wine glasses. I just went and got the things I need to do the first day of this. Okay, I'll actually do 2 back to back. But the first one, day 1, about to start, is cleaning makeup brushes, because I have tried everything. Like, I have tried pure soap, I've tried dishwashing liquid, I've tried soaking them in olive oil and then washing them out again. I've tried all of the makeup brush cleaners you can buy, and none of them have really got things clean. So I have now found the perfect answer. Well, the perfect answer for me anyway, and I'm going to show it to you. I'm back in my kitchen just for a change, and I've lined up the things that I'm going to be using, and this is the magic juice. So it's a Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, and these are the things that are going to get cleaned. It's a sunny, warm day here, so I'll pop them outside, not in the sun, but outside in the warm air to dry. Okay, it is not meant to be brown, it's just eyeshadow. Into a little bit of the Dr. Bronner. Rinse it out, warm water, just in a bowl, and do it again, because this is one I use a lot, so it picks up a lot of pigment. It's a nice one actually, it's a Waiver one. And that is practically brand new. There you go, it's fluffy, well it will be when it's dry, it'll go back to being fluffy and really clean. And this is the finished product. Well, the drying product. I hang these upside down, or nearly. You can see really well on these. Works better on them, so that they don't run back into the head. Same with these, and that way they dry really well. There we are, all lined up like little dancers. And that is the official end of day 1. And what a surprise, I'm back in my kitchen. This time I'm going to be up here in these 2 cupboards, and I'm going to declutter. Well, clutter is not quite the right word. I just need to reduce down the number of wine glasses, because I have 8 of each of the Waterford Crystal, and then I have, actually I have 10 champagne flutes, 12 champagne flutes and 8 red wine glasses. Well, red, white, who cares? And yeah, I don't need that many. First up, the Waterford crystal. Now, these are beautiful, they're heavy, they make the right sound. Listen to that bell. They are lovely, they're beautiful to drink out of. You have to hand wash them because there's gold on the rim. They're old fashioned, but I love them. And the only problem is they take up a lot of real estate in my lean on real estate cupboards, and I'm not using them enough. So what I've decided to do is to leave out 2 of each and pack up the other 12 and see if I use them over a year. Well, that's freed up a bit to start with, hasn't it? Next set, I have 6 of these. Once again, a nice crystal. And you can hear the difference. Bonk. And this one rings. So that's an easy choice, isn't it? These ones go back in. These are quite nice. They're half size. You can actually they can be champagne. You probably use them for white wine. So they're a nice size to not drink too much. But those four, they can go and be gifted. So far, so good. What comes next? Well, then there are the 8 red wine glasses. Once again, not a bad ring, quite a nice glass. I think that 2 of them can go, and I'll keep 6. See if they fit in the cupboard that way. And that's done. Look at that, all in one little cupboard. And I've left myself with 6 of the red wine, 6 of the champagne flutes, and 2 champagne flutes and 2 of the wine glasses from the Marquise Waterfords. So that's not bad. Look, and I get a whole cupboard empty. And these will be donated. And these, for now, they get 12 months. The thing for me, I think, is would I repurchase it? And I keep thinking, no, I wouldn't. I would not repurchase Waterford Marquise wine glasses. So maybe I should just stick them on eBay and get rid of them. Reassessment. These are going to go on eBay. Well, I didn't expect that outcome. I have just decided on the spot that I would not repurchase the Waterford Marquise. I do like drinking out of them. I'm going to keep 4, 2 champagne, 2 wine glasses, and the rest can go on eBay. If you're in Melbourne, maybe you'd like them. And the others, yeah, they can be donated. Well, I freed up a whole cupboard, and I feel much better about that, actually. If you watched any of my downsizing from the big house videos going way back, I will link it. Actually, I'll link it here. There's one where it looks like, I've been running a bar. It really did. I mean, big house, big entertaining. Small house, small entertaining. What do we entertain big? There are things called restaurants. Now, I'll leave the link for Sophia's channel down here. And do hop across, and if you're not subscribed already, I think you might really enjoy it. She's a force of nature. This woman has more energy than anybody I've ever seen. She can make herself work the way I cannot believe it. And she has a beautiful home that she's managed to declutter enormously. And, she should be really proud of herself. She's done a wonderful job. She does all sorts of interesting things. And please hop over, subscribe, and follow the other ladies if you would like. Now, for me, give me a thumbs up. Please smash that thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the little bell so that you know when I'm going to post another video, which will be tomorrow, because I've got to think of 2 more things to do. I'll stack them up for you. Okay, have a lovely day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.